Welcome to Health Solution Hub channel. We talk health. We talk herbal. We talk solution. We save lives.
Yeah, this is their solution of what we do basically on this channel is I talk about how to use natural herbs and local ingredients to cure different kind of health issues. And in my previous video, I discussed how you can use turmeric to clear dark spot on your skin and on your face. If you have not watched that video, kindly check this channel and watch the video. That's my latest video, so watch it and follow all due steps appropriately so that you can get the results that is expected of you. In today's video, we'll be talking about weak erection, how to control weak erection and be a very active sex machine in the upper room. Yeah, this is a method that works, that has been tested over time, and the results is mind-blowing. I didn't just come up with this video. I have some persons who requested for it. They requested for the natural remedy to this health complication, and this is the video. So I want you to watch this video and share so that it can reach as many as possible. Now, weak erection is the inability of a man to derive full erection. No matter how your partner touches you, you won't derive that pleasure of even having a response from your hormones to the touches, which is nothing to write home about. It is traceable to these factors highlighted. The psychology factors, we have over anxiety, we have natural factor, we have deficiency of the sex hormone to sustain erection. So this factor can likely lead to weak erection. Now, what you will do for me, I want you to watch this video to the end and follow these steps appropriately, and make sure you replicate exactly the way it's been described in this video so that you can get the exact results. Follow all steps daily and watch this video to the very end. It is very important. Now, straight into the video. This is the step 1. You need to buy 6 onions. Here we have the red onion, we have the white one. Either of the two, whichever one you find around you, buy it. It works. Just buy 6 pieces of onions. Just 6 pieces of onions is okay. Now this leads us to the very next step, which is step 2. So what you need to do in this step 2 is very simple. After you must have gotten your onions, slice the onions into smaller pieces and add 2 cups of water to it. Make sure you slice them into smaller pieces, slice them properly. Make sure you raise those onions. Make sure you raise those onions before you start slicing. You raise them after you must have peeled the back and slice them, then add water to it. Step 3. Boil this onion properly in a clean pot for about 10 to 20 minutes. So after you must have sliced the onions and added water, I'm sure you know it should be in a pot before you can add water to it. Then you should boil for 10 to 20 minutes maximum. You shouldn't exceed 20 minutes. So you should boil between 10 to 20 minutes. And this leads us to the very next step, step 4. So after boiling, after you must have boiled properly for about 10 to 20 minutes, ensure you filter out the water. Ensure you filter out the water and dispose the onion particles that are left in the water. So that water that you filter out, it is called onion juice. So that is what we need. So after you must have filtered out the water, dispose the remaining particles, and this leads us to step 5. So after sieving out the onion juice, add the same quantity of pure honey to it and reboil again. So you get honey is very common. You can get it in any local market around you. So add honey to it. The same quantity of water you get, add a good quantity of honey to it and reboil again in that same clean pot. Now step 6, get a clean bottle or table water plastic or any rag-release plastic that is very clean. Make sure you pour that solution there. Pour that onion juice that you have mixed with honey. After boiling, make sure you pour it in that plastic. So that is where you'll be taking it from. So that plastic will help you to retain the good content of the solution. So if you fill it in that plastic, and that is where you'll be taking it from. So the dosage, you need to take 2 full spoons before eating breakfast in the morning, before eating lunch in the afternoon, and before eating dinner in the night. So you need to do this for complete 2 weeks, every blessed day. So that means you'll be taking it 3 times per each day, in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the night before eating. Note, for best and fast results, support by also eating raw onion. All this will boost your hormone for proper erection. Yes, make sure you eat raw onion. So eat raw onion, either the red one or the white one, whichever one that you can find around you. Make sure you eat it raw while you are taking this onion juice so that it can help in fast action. Now, kindly check the description of this video below. There are vital information that you can't afford to miss there. I discuss extensively about any health-related issue I talk about in my video. I go further to the description to extend more, to expatiate more on them. So check the description of the video and follow my product recommendations. They will help you. We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I want you to hit the like button, drop a comment in the comment section below, share this video to as many as possible, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I drop my next video. Thank you.